Okay, so yesterday I do this chapter 2, but when I try to check the question you have answer, so I find out there are some incorrect answer when I try to do. So not answer not correct, it's my solution not correct, my working step. So here I mark down which one I not correct, I incorrect. So you may check for a while. Then this one is C, for part C. Actually I use the negative signs, but actually it's positive sign. So this one, our answer not only k square minus 1, so because this one also can be factorized, it has a factors with ak plus 1 and k minus 1 actually. So this one, yesterday when I discussed with my student, also realized this one. Okay, so we need to remember this one, this term, not term, this situation condition with the difference. We have find out the difference between two square, perfect square. So we can write down the factor like this. Okay, then for this here I also forget to factor, take out the 2 first, and then we have m square plus 20mn plus 100n square. So this is the latest one. So after we factorize the 2 out, so we can try to find out the factors. Okay, so next. For this one, question E, I don't know why I am wrong, so later I will try it. Maybe I try now again. Okay, so I use the, maybe I'll change color, pink color. Okay, so let's say we have negative x squared y minus xy. So actually we have negative x, factor of negative x, where xy plus 1. Am I correct? Yeah. Okay, divided by y minus 2x. Yeah, times, here we have y squared 4x squared divided by 5x plus 6x squared, where this one, it should be like that lah. You see the 5 and 6x squared, so answer should be this, but answer is 5 minus 6x squared. I don't know why, so later I see. Maybe I see this one, the answer, why the answer is incorrect. Maybe sometimes the answer is incorrect one. Yeah, I think so. So how about you? Your answer is this same with me? So let me check again, do it again. Okay, so here I have x, we have 5 plus 6x. Here we have y plus 2x, y minus 2x. Right. So here also have y minus 2x. Okay, xy plus 1. So here we have negative 1, 1. Here we have 1, 1. So we left xy plus 1, y plus 2x times 5 plus 6x. Is it final answer already, right? I don't know why. Can we try to factorize again? Because don't forget this one negative 1. Okay. Cannot already. So we already get a factor already. So I think the answer is wrong already. So you may change the answer to this. Okay, double check. I don't know why we have this 5 minus 6x here. This one correct already. And then this one, why we use the x? 5 minus 6x. So if someone, your answer is different with me, so you can reply in chat box. So for this one answer, the answer given is 9x minus 2 over 12y. Well, I don't know whether answer is correct or not, so check again. So here we have 5x over 8y, yeah, correct. Minus, we know that this one we can change to 4 over 4, yeah. 3x over 4, yeah. Divided by 6y, yeah. So now we have, here we can try to form 4 minus 3x over 4. Well, the 4 we can change to as a denominators. So we have 4 times 6y, yeah. And then 4 minus 3x, yeah. So here to same, make the denominator similar, we have times 3, yeah. Okay, so we have 15x, yes, minus with this one, yeah, correct. So since this is negative, negative become positive sign, so it's correct. So I have 12 minus 4 over 24y. Well, this one actually can factorize out, become have factor the 4, have a factor 4, have a factor 4 2. So now I can find out the answer. No, not wrong. So I check again for this one. Okay, 8 3 24, right? Eh? Oh, I know. What? Which one I wrong already? This one. Because plus, right? But suddenly I minus. Oh, yeah. This one plus 18x, 18x. So I just can factor out through this one. Wrong. Factor. So now I have 18 minus 4 divided by 24y. Since all we have can 9x minus 2, 12y. So we can become 9x minus 2, 12y. This one correct. The answer is correct. This one. So I'm wrong with it. So sometimes positive negative or sign. Don't forget them. Okay. Have arrow something. Careless mistake. Okay, so now we try to do this algebraic formulae. Okay, algebra formulae. So I need to adjust my camera first of all. Yeah, to make sure I'm at center. Okay, so I think I will not to discuss lah. So I will do it myself, so you can do yourself also. Okay, at the same time, so when you can check the answer whether it's correct with me or not, same with me or not. Okay, so question 1a, I try to do. So the first one we try to form a formula, form a formula. So form a formula based on the given statement or situation. Okay, just form formula only lah. So we have X eraser, Y pen for 35 ringgit. Okay, so each costs 80 cents. Pen costs 1 ringgit 55. That means I have 0.88 times X eraser plus with 1.55 for Y pens, so equal to 35 ringgit. Okay, so the formula we no need to write down the unit. Okay, on why I use a green pen already. 0.88x plus 1.55y, so equal to 35. Okay, that means we already buy X pen, X eraser, numbers of X eraser. Each eraser we have 88 cents. Okay, so the question B. I want cycle with a speed of x km/h for y plus 2 hours, travel distance d km. Okay, this one I think we need to let us done with chapter 9 first, then we can answer it. If not, difficult for students to answer the question. So this one is we use a d equal to t times d equal to times speed. Speed is x kmh, and times with y plus 2 hours. So the square of sum 3m and 5n is 256. The square of the sum okay, I think this is like that. The square of the sum of 3m and 5n, the square is 256. Am I right? Are you correct with me? Okay, I think like that now. Is that answer can be correct to this one? I don't think so. Okay, because we have a negative number later. So the area trapezium, okay, the area trapezium, A is equal to, we know that it's half of 4x plus 3, another one is 2x minus 1 times 3y. So we can try to simplify, okay, become the simplest form. So we have 6x plus 2 and 3y. Inside we can factors out, factors as 2. Okay, that means here I try to just use here become 3x plus 1. So I'll have 3x plus 1 times 3y. Done. Okay, I will just stop it here. I don't want to expand it out. Okay, so this one would be right angle triangle. Okay, so this one is real Pythagoras theorem, where y square is equal to x square plus x plus 3 square. Okay, so we need to expand it and simplify. Okay, maybe can try now. Okay, we try now. Y square is equal to x square plus x square plus 6x plus 9. So now we have 2x square plus 6x plus 9. Okay, so we can write out this. Done. Question 2. Okay, identify the subject. So we need to identify which one is subject from this formula. So the subject, I will just highlight this one. The subject is E. The subject is V. The subject is A. The subject is S. Okay, done. And then given m y equal to ms plus d, express m in terms of x, y, and d. So we need to identify the subject first. So that subject is m. So we need to take out the m. No, take out m. Make the m be the object, be the subject. Okay. So first we try to write down the equation. Okay, from overall, here we can minus d here. Right hand side we also can minus d. So now we have y minus d and x. So we can try to take the x over. So now we have m equal to y minus d over x. Okay, so we have an answer, this one. Okay, done. The diagram below shows water in hemicyclic container. The height of water is hcm. So express the area water surface in terms of h. This one, I don't understand it. This one, water surface. They say water surface. Express the area water surface. This one very difficult. Okay, we need to try one by one. Okay, how we find out the radius? Okay, how we find out the radius? Okay, so the radius is based on this one. Okay, so we have h, right? H is here. So that means here we have 8 cm. So here we have 8 minus h. So we check with this right angle triangle here. So where the radius here actually, the radius of the water surface actually is we use 8 square minus 8 minus h square. So we try to expand 64 minus 64 minus 16h plus h square. So now we have 16h minus h square is r square. So when you find out this one is pi r square is equal to water surface is pi r square, where the r is 16h minus h square. So we can simplify it, become h 16 times h square and 16 minus h square, where this one we also can take the factor 4 plus h, 4 minus h. But here I didn't have the answers. Oh, sorry, buddy. HCM is the diameter, so I need to take the 4. So I need to change 4. 16. This one is 8 already. That means 8 lah. So 8 lah. 8 already. So no need. Answer is this. Wow. Luckily, the answer now given is 16h minus this one h square. If not, I will be wrong already. Okay, so answer is this donkey. You can check answer whether it's correct or not. Okay, so if incorrect, later I will explain. I will do a correction in description or the next lesson, next video. Given that v square equal u square plus square x, determine the value when u equal to 2, v equal to 8, x equal to 20. So determine the value of a lah. Okay, so we try to v square u square. So when u equals 2 square, v is 8, 8 square, and x equal to 20. So now we have 4 plus 40, a 64. So 60 equal to 40a. So where I know is a is equal to 1.5. Okay, 1.5. 6. Express s as a subject for each of the following formula. Px plus 5, px plus 9 equal to. Okay, express as a subject. So we try to express okay, x as a subject. Well, here we have x here, x here. So we have x separately. So we need to try to combine them and then move. So we can try to combine. Let's say we have 4x right hand side already, right? So we try to move the px to left hand side, because left hand side is plus, so now I'm minus. Okay, so I just write down the initial answer, the question. Okay, so we have factors, the 4 minus p here. Okay, therefore my x is equal to 9 over 4 minus p. No need the bracket. Okay, so this one is answer. So b, a, b. Okay, 13 minus 5ax equal to 8bx. So I'll try to change to bx here plus 5ax. So 13. So x 8b plus 5a 13. So I can conclude that x is equal to 13 over 8b plus 5a. Okay, c 2p minus 3 over 4x equal to 7q. So I try to change it. Okay, here 3 over 4x 2p minus 7q. Okay, so now I go here. Okay, 4 over 3 2p minus 7q. I think the answer should be this. I don't want to open bracket, never mind. Okay, so b mx minus 3y equal to 2 over 5x. So here we have negative 3y. I try to move the negative 3y there and move the 2 over 5x here. Actually it's negative, not positive. So I try to change it back. Okay. And then we have x, where the x is here. Okay, if possible, because it's a fraction, so maybe we try to times 5 for each. So we have 5mx minus 2x equal to 15y. Okay, you can write out like this. So, and then we can try to take the 5m to 15y. So we can find out 15y over 5m minus 2. This is the x formula. Okay, done. Okay, so we try to see question 7. Okay, we have this square root already. So now we try to use the y as an object. Okay, first we need to open this square root. So I try to move to another side. Is 3 becomes square. This one square. 5y minus 2. So we have 9m square. So 5y minus 2, I go another side. 5y equal to 9m square plus 2. Therefore we have 9m square plus 2 over 5. Okay, so this is the answer. For the B, we have this cube root. Now cube root go there is 4p cube root 3y minus 5. Okay, so I try to get the answer 64p cube plus 5 3y, and finally my answer is 64p cube plus 5 over 3. Okay, I do it two steps together. Okay, don't confuse. So the question C, 7C is, okay, this one x squared minus y squared 25. Okay, so although we know that this one is the difference between two square, but I don't want to become factor because the y will be separate. So we just take the y square, go to right hand side, and the 25 go to left hand side. Okay, y square. Okay, so that we can try to compare. Can we write down? No, right? Okay, so we continue. Actually this is 3y square x square minus 25. So that means I can use this x square minus 25, 3y square. So y is equal to this one, x square minus 25 over 3. Done. Okay, if you try to see this one, actually x square minus 25 is x plus 5, x minus 5. But x plus 5, x minus 5, we cannot square root. So you skip as this one. So the D is 36 plus 5x squared equal to 64y cubed. So the first thing is I try to, because 64 the coefficient we can become 4y then cube together. So just move here, 36 plus 5x squared. This one is cube. Okay, so our final answer should be this one, y equal to cube root of 36 plus 5x squared divided by 4. Why I use the green color pen? Okay, question 8. Given that v square equal to u square plus 2ax, find the value of v. This one, find the value of v. Okay, let's say v square equal to, where u is 10 square plus 2, a is minus 4, x is 8. So I just substitute all, we get 100 plus this one, 84, 32 times 2, negative 64. Okay, so I have 36 left. So my v, it could be, if our answer have negative positively, right? So it will be like that. Whether v is positive or negative 6. But in our syllabus, we just know that this one v square is just 36, right? No, positively. I think positively lah. Okay, I need to check whether in form 1 we have already learned this one. The square root we had get positive negatively. Okay, so we check answer. So the b, given y equal to this, or square root of this, find the value of y when x equal to 8. Okay, so when x equal to 8, I don't want to factorize this one inside lah. Yeah. Okay, don't factorize, I just substitute. I just want to substitute. Okay, 8 squared minus 7a minus 4. So I have what? How much number? 64 times 6. Okay, it's very big. So I use calculator. Okay, if you start with factorization, later I try factorization. It will be more convenient, more easier to calculate the answer. 324. Hey, does have an answer? Oh yeah, 18. We have 18. Okay, y equal to 18. Okay, if we first we try to factor, get the factor. Okay, maybe we can get C, because minus minus, right? So that's one minus already. So let's see whether it's 1 4. We can try to 1 6 or 2 3. This one 1 4 or 2 2. So how many we can get? Negative 7. Okay, that means we need to 6 4 cannot, 6 1 cannot, also cannot, 6 2 8 cannot, 2 3, maybe 2 3 can, 2 3 4 cannot, 3 2 28 cannot, 32 6 cannot. Cannot find out, cannot it. Equation, the ratio. So let's play. I try to find 6, 7, 24. Oh, cannot. We cannot find out like this. So we just can use calculator lah. Just directly substitute. Okay. Question 9. A. Given 5k minus m divided by 13 equal to 4m, find the value of m when k equal to 10, n equal to 2. Okay, so just find the m. Okay, so first we can try to take the m as the subject. Take the m as subject. Then we try to 5k equal to, now we have 4m plus m plus mo3n. So we try to make the denominators same. 12mn plus m, 3n, 5k. So I know that m is here. 12n plus 1, 3n, 5k. Therefore I move here to become m equal to how much? 5k, 3n, but 15n, 15kn, 15kn divide 12n plus 1. So I substitute k is then n is true. Okay, then n is true. So just find out the answer. 15 times 10 times 2, sorry, 15 times 10 times 2 actually is 300, right? And then divided by 12 times 2 plus 1, 25. Get the 12 answer. And then the b, how about the b? Okay, find the u when the v is 20 and f equals 2. This one I don't want to just calculate first. Find the u when v equals 20. 20 f equals 12. When just now I tried to take the subject. Take the subject needs to have a much time, so just take the answer. All substitute, we can try to move it up. Now we have 1 over u equal to 1 over 12 minus 1 over 20. Okay, we can try to make the denominator same. Actually, this one 60 times 5 times 3 times 5 times 3. So 5 minus 3, 60. So now we have 2 or 60, where it can become to 1 over 30 is 1 over u. But here we can use the factor, because now we have 1 over like that. So u is equal to 30. We can change it, change the here, if change denominator after the ratio, or we can try to compare the denominators, because 1 equal to 1 already. So u equal to 30. Okay, done. Question 10. Find express y as a subject of formula. Okay, why this question very similar? Quite similar with just before that. Yeah. Okay, y equal to square root of x squared plus 2x minus 1 squared. Okay, so maybe our answer should be this one. Okay, so if I want to take out upper bracket, so maybe x squared minus 4x minus, actually this is not only 2, this is 5. 5x squared minus 4x plus 1. So answer this is, okay, so this one is A. Find the value of y when x equal to 8. So I try to substitute and x equal to 8. Okay, 8, 24. This one I just substitute this one. 64 plus 16 minus 1, right? 15 square. 64 15 square is 225. 289. Okay, so final answer is 17. 17. So y is 17. So I don't want to do this. Although I just use this. Maybe easy. Okay, so we have another quick question. So given that h equal to 2 over 3 g squared plus 2f. So express f as f in terms of g and h. So where's f here? 1. Okay, 1 only. So we can try to express easily. So firstly, we write down equation, okay, to prevent we confusing. So let's understand f is here. So we can try to move the g squared to another side. So there's h minus 2 over 3 g squared plus 2f. But since when you try to move the f out to another side, so the answer would be quite complex because the fraction and fraction in the fraction. So we try to multiply 3 both sides, so become 3h minus 2g squared with 6f. Therefore, we can try to find out the answer 3h minus 2g squared divided by 6. So this is what we have in terms of g and h. So next, calculate the value of f if g is negative 2, and h is 4. Just substitute. Okay, 12 minus this one 224 times 2 8. Okay, divided by 6. So it's 4 divided by 6 is 2 over 3. So f is 2 over 3. Okay, so I just skip this step because it's 4. Negative 2 times 2, negative 2 square is 4 positively. Okay, 12. Express the mass in terms of body mass index and height. Okay, this one we need to check mass. Okay, mass is what? Mass is m. In terms of body mass index, this one is I, and height is h. So express m as the subject. Okay, so m is subject. So I just a. Okay, I equal to m over h, where m equal to hi. H also can. Okay, so what's b asked? If a person consider obese, if the body mass index more than 30, okay, Mazda height is 1.6. What is her maximum mass to? So that she is not obese. So just now we have m equal to IH, right? Okay, if the body mass index is more than 30, okay, more than 30, okay, let's say we have I is more than 30. Okay, so to make sure he's not obese, which is we need to less or equal to 30 lah. So we use the I less equal to 30. Okay, so we try to change this one because maybe you can try to understand this. I will try to change the equal sign to inequalities, but I will try to let's say I is the subject. Okay, so it will be I is larger or like that, like this. Okay, I is greater or equal to smaller or equal to 30. That means this one is I, this one is refer I. I refer to I. Okay, so I apply this one inside this one. Okay, so I have this one already. So now I change back to this one, and 30h. Just now we have height is 1.6, right? So just substitute 1.6. So our mass should be 30 times 1.6, 48, less than 48 kg. Her maximum mass, so we can answer her maximum mass, okay, should be 48 kg. So I check whether I can just substitute this one on the 30. Cannot, right? I scare student don't understand this one. Just substitute inside. Okay. And then we try to change the sign. Also not so equal. So I use this pattern. Okay, so the diagram below show the price of vegetable at Hamza store particular day. The total sale that day is Y. If m kg of this one brinjals, n kg cucumbers, p kg of bitter gourd are sold, express Y in terms of m and p. Y, okay, so Y is equal to mkg or brinjal, okay, 6.5 the ringgit, 6.5 m, and then plus nkg of cucumber 3n plus 5.5 p, like that. So can I try to, because this is a decimal place, so if you want to become all round number, you can try to multiply through lah. Multiply through, so you can get 13 plus no, I think don't want lah, because if I try, because I want y bar, I want only y only, so if I try to change it also can get like this divided by 2. Hey yeah, this answer better. I'll just write down only. B, if I'm just sold 12 kg and 7 kg cucumber, okay, the total sales is 18108.5 equal to 13 times I don't want 13, I use just now this one, 6.5 12 kg plus 3 cucumber is how much? 7 kg. So I try to find the p with the ground. So try to use calculator. 12 99, total is 99. So 5.5 p equal to is 82.5. Therefore, I have to find the answer. It could be 15 kg. So calculate the mass in kg, the bitter ground that has been sold. So answer, because p is 15, I didn't have the answer, the kg, the unit. So I just conclude this one. Okay. Okay. So we have 15 kg bitter ground of bitter ground has been sold. Done. Okay, so done for my answer. Okay, hope that can benefit you. You can try to. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you so much. Bye bye.